So this is exercise 4.1. This is your type 1. Check whether the following are quadratic. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So this is x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 2x minus 3. I have to check whether these equations are quadratic equations or not. That is, these equations, can I write them in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If I can write this equation in this form, then I can say that this is a quadratic equation. If I cannot write this equation in this form, then I will say that this is not a quadratic equation. So this is x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 2 into x minus 3. Let's break this into formula. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6. Everything I will bring it this side. X square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 is equals to 0. So this one I can cut. Ultimately I will get x square plus 7 is equals to 0. Now is it a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. But in here the b is 0. Understand, in here the b is 0. Understand, this is a polynomial of degree 2. X square plus 7, this is a polynomial of degree 2. And this is equals to 0. So therefore, I can write that it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. The given equation is a quadratic equation. Understand, very easy there. First of all, I will have to solve it and I will have to bring it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to, in this form I will have to bring. Now you can say that it is not matching. It is not of the form ax square plus bx. The bx, it is not there. It is directly in the form of ax square plus c is equals to 0. No problem, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where in here the b is 0 here. Understand, the b is 0 here. So therefore I can say that it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. I hope you have understood. Next I will go to question number 2. So question number 2, here you see x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2, 3 minus x. So this is our solution. X square minus 2x is equals to, if I multiply this one, I will let me write down first, minus 2, 3 minus x. So this is our x square minus 2x is equals to, this one if I multiply it, I will get minus 6 plus 2x. So everything from the right hand side, let me bring it to the left hand side. I will get x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equals to 0. So ultimately this is x square minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. Which I get here, x square minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. I can write it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore I can write the given equation is a quadratic equation. Understand, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Next I will go to question number 4. Okay, next I will go to question number 4 here. So question number 4, it is saying that x minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equals to x plus 5. So this is our solution. X minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equals to x plus 5. So this one, let me multiply it. Left hand side I will multiply it. So this is, if I multiply it, x 2x plus 1 minus 3 2x plus 1 is equals to this one. If I multiply it, I will get x square plus 5x. So this is, if I multiply it, I will get 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is equals to x square plus 5x. So everything, let us bring it to the left hand side. I will get 2x square plus this one, if I solve it, x minus 6x, I will get, let me write it down, I will get minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equals to 0. So ultimately this is, I will get 2x square minus x square minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is, I will get x square minus 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Understand? It is of the form, this is, I can write that it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Understand? So next I will go to question number next let's go to question number 6. Okay, whatever the sums I have not done here, you please try to do by yourself. Question number 6 I will go here. So question number 6, it is saying x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 the whole square. So in here I will get x square plus 3x plus 1. Let me write the question one more time. Is square. So now I will do x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to, break this into formula, I will get x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. So this is ultimately, I will get x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. So in here everything, let me bring it to left hand side. I will get x square, this is x square, if it comes to left hand side, ultimately you will get minus x square plus 3x. If this comes to the left hand side, I will get 4x plus 1. If this comes to the left hand side, I will get minus 4 is equals to 0. This one and this one cut. Ultimately 3x plus 4x, I will get 7x, and plus 1 minus 4, I will get minus 3 is equals to 0. Now is it of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0? If the left hand side, this polynomial, the left hand side polynomial, is it a polynomial of degree 2? It is not a polynomial of degree 2. It is a linear equation, you see. It is not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. Highest power of the variable is 1 there. It is a linear equation. Understand? So therefore I will write it is not, okay, it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Understand? This is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So the last one, which is question number 8, I will do now. Question number 8. Question number 8, you see. This is question number 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 the whole cube. So this is our solution. This is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to this one. If I break it into formula, I will get x cube minus 3 into x into 2, x minus 2 plus 2 cube. So this is ultimately, I will get x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x cube minus 6x, x minus 2 plus 8. So this is again, I will get x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. So the everything, let me bring it to left hand side. So this is, I will get x cube minus x cube. Yes, x cube minus x cube. Then minus 4x square plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 minus 8 is equals to 0. Yes, this one I got. So in here this one and this one cut. Minus 4x square plus 6x square, I will get 2x square minus x minus 12, I will get minus 13x, and plus 1 minus 8, I will get minus 7 is equals to 0. Now therefore this is what I got. It is of the form. Yes, it is of the form. Okay, it is of the form. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Understand, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next I will go to type 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equations. Okay, type 2 I will go. So type 2, you see here, type 2, I have to represent the following situations in quadratic equation. The following situations I have to represent them. I have to represent them in what? In quadratic equation. I have to represent them in quadratic equation. That means I have to represent the situation in what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form. Understand? So let us look at the first situation. What is the first situation? The first situation saying that the area of the triangular plot. Let me write down in here, area of the rectangular plot, not triangular plot. Area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Yes, area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Then saying the length of the plot, length of the plot in meters, length of the plot in meters is one more. What saying? Is one more than twice its breadth. Is one more than twice its breadth. Length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. What I have to find? I have to find the length. I have to find the length and breadth of the plot. I have to find the length and breadth of the plot. Understand? Notes are already given it to you. You please write down the notes in your copy. Okay. So in here given area of the rectangular plot, this one given, length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Okay, length how much given? Length is one more than twice its breadth. Okay, one more than twice its breadth here. So one more than twice its breadth. Okay. So first of all in here I will take that let the breadth of the rectangular plot, let the breadth of the rectangular plot, let the breadth, first of all I will take the breadth, let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meter. Okay, let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meter. Write it down, M-E-T-R-E. Yes, x meter. Wait a minute here. X meter. Okay. Let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meter. So therefore, the length of the rectangular plot. What will be the length of the rectangular plot? Length of the rectangular plot. It will be is equals to breadth x. Then length of the rectangular plot will be what? Length of the rectangular plot is one more than twice its breadth. Yes, one more than twice its breadth. That means breadth is x meter. Then length of the rectangular plot will be what? One more than twice its breadth. One more than 2x plus 1. Yes, 2x plus 1 meter. Okay, 2x plus 1 meter. Let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meters. X meter. Therefore, the length of the rectangular plot, yes, one more than twice its breadth. Breadth is x. One more than twice its breadth. Okay. So now what I will do here, length and breadth I got. Now I will write area of the rectangular plot. Yes, area of the rectangular plot. Area of the rectangular plot. How much given? It is given in the question this much. Area of the rectangular plot is equals to 528 meters square. Yes. And what is the formula to find the area of a rectangular plot? What is the formula to find the area of a rectangle? It is what? It is length into breadth. Yes or no? And length how much given? X, breadth, length this much, breadth this much. Yes or no? So what I will do? 2x plus 1 into x is equals to 528 I will get. Yes, 528 I will get. Now this one a little bit I will solve it, and this whole thing I will express it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form. That means in the question only saying that the situation I will have to represent them in quadratic equation. Understand? So this one I will solve it. Solve it means what? This one multiply I will do. So this one 2x plus 1 into x if I do, I will get what I will get here. I will get 2x square plus x is equals to 528. Yes, got? Now this 528 I will bring it to left hand side. Then what I will get? 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. Yes, 2x square plus 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. It is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form. Understand? Let me check the back answer one more time. Let me check the back answer. This is your 4.1. Yes, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. This one more thing, let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meters you give. Okay, plural you give x meters, and length of the rectangular plot 2x plus 1 meters you give. Okay, plural you give meters. Understand? X meters and 2x plus 1 meters. Area of the rectangular plot this much. Area formula it is length into breadth, which is 2x plus 1 into x. This one you multiply it, and this one you bring it to left hand side. Ultimately this is the quadratic equation I will get. Understand? Very easy there. It is not hard. Very easy there. Okay. So now I will go to type 2 number 2 I will go. Okay. Type 2 number 2 I will go. So in here you see type 2 number 2 saying that the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Product of two consecutive positive integers. Okay, product of two consecutive positive integers. Yes. A product of two consecutive positive integers. Okay. So this is very easy there. You see a product of two consecutive positive integers. So in here I will take let the two consecutive positive integers, let the two consecutive positive integers be what? Two consecutive positive integers. What I can take? Be x and x plus 1. Yes, x and x plus 1. Yes. So by question, what given? Product of two consecutive positive integers is 306 given. So by question I can write x into x plus 1 is equals to 306 I can write. Understand? We need to find the integers. Okay. So this one x into x plus 1 is equals to okay. So in here this one if I multiply it, I will get what I will get? X square plus x is equals to 306. So this one x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. Understand? X square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Yes, this is our quadratic equation. Let me check the back answer. Exercise 4.1. 4.1 x square. Yes, x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. Okay. We need to find the integers. Okay, so in here, product of two consecutive positive integers is 306 given. So I have to represent these situations. Yes, I have to represent these situations in a quadratic equation. Understand? In a quadratic equation. That only I have done. I have represented this situation in a quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. You will find the two consecutive positive integers if you solve this quadratic equation. Understand? When you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the two consecutive positive integers. Okay. Next, again, your question number 3. You see. Next, your question number 3 here. Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, will be 360. What would we would like to find Ram's present age? Yes, we would like to find Ram's present age. Okay. So in here, one thing you see in this type of problems, no need to solve the quadratic equation. Understand? Just the situation I have to represent it in quadratic equation. That much only I have to do. No need to solve. Yes, no need to solve. So in here, type 3 saying Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. This type of questions you try to understand the question. Okay. Ram's mother is 26 years. Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages, the product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, the product of the ages 3 years from now will be 360. Okay, we would like to find Ram's present age. Okay, Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, will be 360. We would like to find Ram's present age. Okay, Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. Yes, the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Ram's present age. So in here, okay, so in here you see, I will write, let the age of Ram be x years. Okay, therefore the age of Ram's mother, it will be what? Age of Ram's mother will be 26 years older than him. Ram's age is x years, then Ram's mother age will be what? X plus 26 years. Yes, x plus 26 years. Ram's mother age is 26 years older than him. His age is x years, then Ram's mother age will be x plus 26. Okay, the product of their age is 3 years from now. Yes, so next I will write Ram's age 3 years. Ram's age 3 years from now. This is let the present age. Okay, let the present age of Ram. This is also let the present age of Ram's mother. Ram's age 3 years from now, it will be what? His present age is x years, So 3 years from now, his age will be x plus 3 years. Yes, his age will be x plus 3 years. And Ram's mother's age, mother's age 3 years from now. Ram's mother says 3 years from now. Okay. First of all, Ram's age 3 years from now, it is x plus 3 years. And Ram's mother says 3 years from now. Ram's present age, okay, Ram's mother's present age is x plus 26 years. So Ram's mother's age 3 years from now, it will be what? It will be x plus 26 plus 3, which is equals to x plus 29 years. It will be x plus 29 years. Understand? X plus 29 years. Okay. So now it is saying that the product of their ages 3 years from now. Ram says 3 years from now is this much. Ram's mother says 3 years from now is this much. Their product is 360 given. Understand? So by question I will write. Okay, by question I will write. Let me write it in here. By question I can write x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3 into x plus 29. X plus 3 into x plus 29 is equals to 360 given. Okay, so this one I will have to solve, and I will have to bring it in this one, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form. So this one, let me write it in a little bit top. Okay, so this one I will write by question x plus 3 into x plus 29, x plus 3 into x plus 29, 360 given. Let me solve this one. X into x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29 is equals to 360. So this is x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 into 3, 27. 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 87. 87 is equals to 360. So ultimately this is, I will get x square plus 30, 31, 32. 32x plus 87 is equals to 360. So ultimately x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equals to 0. So 360 minus 87, I will get 10 minus 7, it is 3. Then again 15 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and this will be 2. So ultimately I will get x square plus 32x minus 273 is equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Understand? Which is, I brought it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Understand? Let me check the back answer. This is your x square plus 32x minus 273 is equals to 0. Understand? So let me explain the problem one more time. It is a very easy problem. Okay. So in here it is saying that Ram's mother's age is 26. Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Ram's present age. So first of all, I will take that let the present age of Ram be x years. Therefore, the present age of Ram's mother, it will be equals to x plus 26 years. Understand? So now it is saying the product of their age is 3 years from now. So first of all, in order to find their product, first of all I will have to find that Ram says 3 years from now will be how much, and Ram's mother says 3 years from now will be how much. Present age of Ram says is x, and present age of Ram's mother is x plus 26. So Ram says 3 years from now will be x plus 3 years, and Ram's mother says 3 years from now it will be x plus 26 plus 3, which is equals to x plus 29 years. So by question I can write that x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equals to 360. This one, if I solve it a little bit, and I will bring it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form. Understand? This one I brought it in this form. So this is our quadratic equation. Understand? This much only in here I will have to do. This one solution solved for no need. Okay, just I will have to bring the these situations into quadratic equations. Okay, that one only in the question it is asking. Okay, type 2 question that one only asking. Next I will go to question number 4 I will go. Okay, next I will go to question number 4. So question number 4 in here you see, question number 4, a train a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay, so in here you see, try to understand the question. Okay, try to understand the question. It is saying that a train travels a distance of 480 km. Train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Okay, at a uniform speed. Next, say if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours. Then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay, we need to find the speed of the train. Okay, so question number 4 in here, it is saying that a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Very simple question. A train, it is how much distance it is traveling? It is traveling 480 kilometers. Yes, the train is traveling 480 kilometers. Understand? At a uniform speed. Okay, it is traveling at a uniform speed. Now, next thing it is saying that if the speed of the train had been 8 km less, if the train was moving at a speed 8 km less, yes, if the train was moving 8 km per hour slowly, then it would have taken 3 hours more. Time it will, of course, it will increase. Yes or no? Yes, if the speed of the train was 8 km per hour less, then time it would have taken 3 hours more. Yes, that is the situation going on here. Yes, so this one I will have to represent it in quadratic equation. So first of all, I will take that, let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, now we know that one thing we know, we know that from physics class, we know this formula, that speed is equals to, distance by time. Yes, speed is equals to distance by time. This same formula only, what I will do, speed I will write below distance and time I will bring this side. Understand? Same for this same thing only, I will write in this way. Time is equals to time, which is I am representing here as t. Time is equals to distance by speed. Yes, time is equals to distance by speed. So is equals to distance, how much going? Distance going 480 km. And at what speed it is going? It is going at x km per hour speed. Yes, so t value I got. T is equals to 480 by x. Yes, this one I got. Yes. Now you see by question what I can write? By question, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, speed was 8 km per hour less. That means from x I will have to subtract 8. Yes, from x I will have to subtract 8. Then time will increase. With t I will have to add 3. Yes, from x I will subtract 8 and time I will add 3. So by question I will write t plus 3 is equals to, distance will remain same only because the train is traveling 480 kilometers only. T plus 3 is equals to 480 by x minus 8. Yes, by question I got this one. Understand? Now in here you see t value I have already found. T value what I have found? It is 480 by x. Yes, 480 by x. I have to bring this one in order to express this in quadratic equation. I will have to bring this. There are two variables are there. One is t, which is time, and one is x, which is representing speed here. I will have to bring this in the same variable. So what I will do here, time value, that is t value I have already got, which is 480 by x. This value I will put it in here. So this is I will get, you see, 480 by x plus 3 is equals to 480 by x minus 8. Yes, I got. Now this thing I will have to solve it, and I will have to write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form. So let me rub with this one. This one I got 480 by x plus 3 is equals to 480 by x minus 8. So in here, what I can do, I can take the LCM here. X will be the LCM. 480 plus 3x is equals to 480 by x minus 8. I will do cross multiplication. 480 plus 3x into x minus 8 is equals to 480x I will get. Yes, 480x I will get. This one if I multiply it, this two if I multiply it, x into 480 plus 3x minus 8, 480 plus 3x is equals to 480x. Yes, is equals to 480x. This multiplication alert you already know. I have to not explain it. So therefore this one I will get, you see, this is 480x plus 3x square. Okay, 480x plus 3x square minus 480 into 8. 8 zeros are 8 is 64, 32, 38. I will get 3840 minus 24x is equals to 480x. So this is what I got in here, you see. This is again 3x square. This is 480x minus 24x I am getting. And again this is 480x in the right hand side, 480x there. This is also I will have to bring it to left hand side. So ultimately I am getting here 3x square plus 480x minus 24x, and 480x if it comes to left hand side, ultimately it will become minus 480x, and this is minus, let me write it properly. So this is I am getting 3x square plus 480x minus 24x minus 480x. This will be minus 3840 is equals to 0. Yes, this one I got. So this is 3x square. This one you see plus 480 minus 480. It will cancel out ultimately. Yes. So 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equals to 0 I got. Yes, is equals to 0 I got. So now in here, let me check the back answer. Is this the quadratic equation or not? Exercise 4.1. Okay, so I think I will be able to take 3 common here. I think I will be able to take 3 common. If I take 3 common, this will be x square minus, in here it will become 8x minus, is it divisible by 3? 3840. Is it divisible by 3? Let me check. 3840. 3 1s are 3, 8, 3 2s are 6, 24, 3 8s are 24, and 0 0. Yes, it is divisible by 3. It becomes 1280 is equals to x. So ultimately what I got? X square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. This is our solution. No need to write answer. This is our solution. Understand? In the back answer, in place of x, u there. Okay, in place of x, u there. No need to worry about. You can take x also. In here, the speed of the train I have taken as x. In there, they have taken as u. Okay, you can take u or you can take x. Your choice. This is. So one time I am doing a revision of this problem. So in here what it is saying that in here you see a train is traveling a distance of 480 kilometer. A train is traveling a distance of 480 kilometer. Yes, at a uniform speed. So let the speed of the train, let the speed be x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour or u kilometer per hour, you take it. Okay. Now, if the speed of the next question it is, if the speed had been 8 kilometer less, if this speed had been 8 kilometer less, that means if the speed of the train was x minus 8 kilometer per hour, yes, then in the above journey, in the first journey, when the train was traveling at a speed of x kilometer per hour, if the train has taken t time, yes, if the train has taken t time, now when it is traveling at x minus 8 kilometer per hour, the train will take how much? T plus 3 hours. Yes, t plus 3 hours it will take. Of course, if the train is traveling at less speed, then it will take more time to complete the journey. Yes or no? And what is the distance of the journey? It is 480 kilometer. Distance will remain same only, because same distance only traveling. Yes. So first of all, I will take the help of the speed is equals to distance by time formula. But instead of writing that formula in speed is equals to distance by time, I will write it as time is equals to distance by speed. Yes, time is equals to distance by speed. Okay, time is equals to distance by speed. So first I will get the time, it is equals to distance. How much distance traveling? 480 kilometer. And at what speed it is traveling? It is traveling at a speed of x kilometer per hour. Yes, this is our first case. And for the next case, if the speed, that is if x becomes x minus 8, that means now the train is traveling at 8 kilometer per hour less speed. So if the speed becomes x minus 8, then time becomes t plus 3. Yes, so the next case is t plus 3 is equals to 480 by this is your x minus 8. Yes, x minus 8. So now what t value I have already found. T value what I have got? T value 480 by x. So this is, I will put it in here. 480 by x plus 3 is equals to 480 by x minus 8. This is little bit, I will solve it and I will bring it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This one only our problem there. Again nothing there. It is very easy. Understand? So in the next video we will go to exercise 4.2. I hope you have understood. Thank you.